going to see alcohols, phenols, ether chapter. You know very well, alcohols are nothing but hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbon means then they are called phenols. About ether, we will see little later. Hydroxy derivative. When you have alkane CnH2n plus 2, remove one hydrogen from that CnH2n plus 1 and write instead of the hydrogen OH. Then it is called alcohol. Now let us compare the alcohol, phenol and ether. Have you noticed all of them are having a shared pair of unshared pair of electrons on oxygen. It is ROH, it is benzene ring with OH. Here on both sides alkyl group and center oxygen. In all the three oxygen, you can see a pair of electrons. But see the bond angle, it is less than the tetrahedral angle, 108.9 degree. Here it is 109 degree, here it is 111.7 degree. What is the reason? Here, the unshared pair of electrons on oxygen get repulsion. Repulsion of the unshared pair of electron on oxygen. Why they are called unshared pair of electron? Oxygen has 6 electrons in the valence shell. One it has shared with alkyl group, one it has shared with hydrogen. So 2 pairs of unshared electron. Unshared pair of electron which repel each other. That is why its bond angle is less than tetrahedral. But in the case of phenol, it is called phenol. Aromatic alcohol, benzene ring is attached with OH. The unshared pair of electron is not continuously localized on oxygen. It gets delocalized. It is called, it is in conjugation with benzene ring. So what will happen? When it is coming here, the single bond becomes double bond, partial double bond. And this pair of electron, it goes to the ortho position. This we have seen in the haloalkanes, haloarine chapter itself. So the electron on oxygen is in conjugation with benzene ring. So it is not localized all the time on oxygen. Here, both the side bulky groups are there, bulky alkyl group. So there is a steric hindrance due to the presence of the bulky alkyl group. So the bond angle increases. It goes to 111.7 degrees. Now, let us see in detail about alcohols. If only one OH group is present, then it is called monohydric alcohol. Methanol, one carbon alcohol, methanol. Methane, CH4, you remove one hydrogen and write OH, then it is called methanol. C2H6, ethane, remove one hydrogen and write OH, ethanol. Benzene, what is the formula? C6H6, remove one hydrogen, C6H5. Instead of that, we are writing OH. This OH, should it be there on the top only? No, it can be written at any place. In the 4 carbon atoms, any place you can write. This is called phenol. This is not phenol because the OH is not directly attached to benzene ring. Through carbon it is attached. So it is called benzyl alcohol. What alcohol? Benzyl alcohol. Now let us go to diol. Aliphatic diol I have written. Diol means 2 OH groups are there. CH3 means ethane. In that you remove one H here and H here. So it will become CH2OH, CH2OH. In the solution chapter also we have studied about this ethylene glycol, anti-freezing agent we have studied. This is called ethane 1,2 diol. Ethane 1,2. This is first carbon, this is second carbon. Or this is first, this is second. Ethane 1,2 diol or ethylene glycol, which is an anti-freezing agent. In the benzene ring, you are having 2 OH. Where are they present? In the first position and the second position. So they are called benzene 1,2 diol. 1,2 diol. Otherwise it is called catechol. Catechol. Now this compound 1, 2, 3. Continuously you have to name it. 1,3 benzene diol. 1,2 means it is called catechol. It is called resorcinol. Resorcinol. Next one. It is in 1,4 position. 1,4. This is called quinol. You might have heard about quinine from the cinchona tree. We used to get quinine, which is used for fever, malarial fever. This is quinol. 1,4 is quinol. What is the importance of this alcohol? Paper industry. Then even for corona COVID-19 we are using sanitizer which contain alcohol as a solvent. Then it is used in textile industry. Then many, even the Benadryl you might have seen, it contains alcohol. So in the drug industry, in the paint industry, in the so many industries, paper industry, cotton, textile industry, in so many industries, this alcohol plays a very important role. Now let us go to triol. Triol means 3 OH groups are there, so it is called triol. This is nothing but glycerol. Yes, it is one of the byproduct we are getting from the soap industry during the preparation of soap. We are studying in 10th class also. This is in the benzene ring having 3 OH group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 1, 3, 5. Benzene triol. 1, 3, 5. Benzene triol. So you have heard about monohydric, dihydric and trihydric alcohol. Depends on the number of OH groups we have classified. Now we are going to classify the monohydric alcohol into sp3 hybridized alcohol and sp2 hybridized alcohol. What is sp3 hybridized alcohol? When the OH group is attached to a carbon which is in turn attached to single bond. Through single bond it is attached with another carbon, means it is called sp3 hybridization. Now let me again classify it into alkyl alcohol, benzyl alcohol, allyl alcohol. What is alkyl alcohol? All of you know. CnH2n plus 2 is called alkane. From that if you remove one hydrogen, I have taken propane. CH3, CH2, CH3. In that I have removed one hydrogen. So it becomes CH2. With that OH I have attached. So it is called propanol. This alkyl alcohol can be further classified into primary, secondary, tertiary. What is primary? The OH is attached to a carbon in which it is attached to one single chain, one direction chain. Then it is called primary. Now remove one of the hydrogen of the primary alcohol and write CH3. Then what is happening? Tell me. It is coming as CHOH. CHOH. Here it is CH2OH. Here it is CHOH. Then it is, where is the end carbon starts? End here or here. The OH is must attach to a carbon which is having lowest number. So from here it is the second number which is attached to OH. If I come from here, it is the third carbon. We should give the lowest number. In the 11th class we have studied lowest locant group. It is a functional group. OH is a functional group. That means attached to a carbon having less number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the name of this compound? 4th carbon means the word root is but. In the second carbon the OH is attached. So it is called 2-butanol. Next one. Remove again the one hydrogen. Instead you write CH3. Again CH3. That means it is coming as COH. CH2OH means primary alcohol. CHOH means secondary alcohol. COH means tertiary alcohol. Now parent chain. Locate the parent chain. 1, 2, 3. Either you go up or come down. This is 4 carbon alcohol in which 1 carbon is coming as a branch. In the 5 carbon, 4 is coming in the straight line, 1 is coming as a branch. Where is the one carbon which comes as a branch? Where is it coming? If you start from here, 1, 2, 3. Third carbon is attached to methyl group as well as OH. Am I correct or not? If you want, I will write it in detail. Now we will understand. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. In that I have removed one hydrogen and I have written CH3. Then it is called secondary, I said. If you remove that hydrogen also and again write one CH3, then it is coming at COH. Then it is tertiary. The tertiary name should start from here. From here only it is getting the lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parent chain. So it is a pentanol. In the pentanol, in the second carbon, you are having OH as well as methyl group as a branch. So how to name the compound? 2-methyl, 2-pentanol, 2-methyl, 2-pentanol. It is tertiary because it is coming as COH. Now let us go to benzyl alcohol. I told benzyl alcohol means the OH will not directly attach to the benzene ring. It will attach through carbon only. So it is called benzyl alcohol. This primary alcohol. Why primary alcohol? Because it is coming as CH2OH. Now can we change it into a secondary alcohol? How to write the secondary alcohol? The CH2OH. Remove one hydrogen and write as a methyl group. Now it is coming as what? CHOH. So what alcohol? Secondary alcohol. Now how to name the aliphatic name of this compound? This carbon should be the first carbon. This carbon should be the second carbon. 2-carbon alcohol is called ethanol. In the ethanol, in the first carbon, phenyl. It should not be named as benzene. It should be named as phenyl. Phenyl is also attached. OH is also attached. So how will you name this compound? 1-phenyl ethanol. What is the name of this compound? 1-phenyl ethanol. Now it is secondary. How to write the tertiary compound? Now again write the benzene, right? CH2OH. Both the hydrogen will remove. You write it as methyl group. Now it has become what alcohol? Tertiary alcohol. Now how to name this compound? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon attached chain they are coming. So it is propanol. In the second carbon, OH is also attached. Benzene ring is also attached. So how to name this compound? 2-phenyl, 2-propanol. Are you clear the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol of benzyl alcohol? Benzyl alcohol is an alcohol which is sp3 hybridized where the OH is not directly attached to benzene ring. Through one carbon only it is attached. So it is sp3 hybridized benzyl alcohol. Now come to the allyl alcohol. What is allyl alcohol? See the carbon which is attached to OH, which is in turn attached to carbon by a single bond only. After that only double bond is coming. So it is called allyl alcohol. We have to make out the difference between allyl and vinyl correctly. In vinyl alcohol, OH is attached to a carbon which is immediately the first carbon which is attached to OH that is directly attached to double bond. So it is called vinyl alcohol. But in allyl alcohol, OH is attached to a carbon which is in turn attached to another carbon by a single bond. Then only double bond will come. So it is called allyl alcohol. Is it primary or secondary or tertiary? Primary, because it is coming CH2OH. Now how to write the secondary in this compound? CH2, double bonds CH, single bond CH2OH. In that remove one hydrogen and write CH3. Now is it coming as CHOH? So it is secondary. How to name this compound? 1. This is the first carbon which is attached to OH. 1, 2, 3. 2 is having double bond. So it is called 2-propanol. What are? 2-propanol. Now come to this compound. Parent chain. Identify the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon is there. As a coming as a straight chain only. Butanol. That butanol here 1, 2, 3, 4. Third carbon is touching the double bond. So what is it called? Third carbon is touching double bond. Second carbon is touching OH. You don't know means you separate the name. Writing the functional group separately you write it. It is 2-all. 3 butene. But 3 2-all. Like that you write. Third position is ene. Second position is OH. Now let us write tertiary alcohol. It is secondary alcohol. How to write the tertiary alcohol? Shall we write from this compound itself tertiary alcohol? Let us write CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH2OH. From this, both the hydrogen I am removing. Instead of both the hydrogen, we are writing 2-methyl group. Now, Identify the parent chain. Is it tertiary alcohol? COH means tertiary alcohol. You agree? Now parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go like this or 1, 2, 3, 4. Parent chain is only 4 carbon. Where to start the numbering? If I start the numbering here, third carbon is attached to the OH. Functional group. OH and double bond. We have the order of preference we have studied. OH only should be given the first preference. So which one we will start? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also 3 in only. Bute 3 in. But second carbon is coming methyl group. Second carbon is having OH also. So 2 methyl. Bute 3 in. To all. What are? To all. Here. Now let us go to vinyl alcohol. As I have already told you, OH is attached to a carbon, which is in turn immediately attached to a double bond, means it is called vinyl alcohol. Then in phenol, that is aromatic alcohol, OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. It is also sp2 hybridization. See here, see this carbon. OH is attached to a carbon, which is immediately attached to what? Double bond. This is called cresol. All the three are called cresols. Here OH and methyl group is cresol, means it is called cresol. The OH and CH3 are the second 1 and 2 carbon. So it is called orthocresol. Ortho position means next position is called ortho position. Either it may be this and this, or this and this carbon and this carbon are ortho. This carbon is also called ortho. Next position, that's all. 1 and 3 is called meta. 1 and 4 just opposite called para. So what is it called? This is called orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. IUPAC name, what will you say? OH only we have to give preference. So it is 1, it is 2. 2-methyl phenol. What is the name? 1, 2, 3. 3-methyl phenol. Here what will you give name? 4-methyl phenol. So hope you are clear with the first classification of alcohols. Next we are going to see isomerism and IUPAC. Side by side I will teach you how to identify the isomers and how to name the compounds. We will see in the next video.